Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Samla Bashimti Snaitang nagashnong Nonglang, Southwest Hills District, Samla Puli nagaschool Saint Xavier'S, Umoid Maukarwan, Kalawan Rakna Mandra Buram ya kadong kathan Maukarwat pada ke district Barok Kawai, Lingba ka jingyo jongka ya ke kerdan top 10, haka subject political science nagaschool ba Northeastern Hills University, haka exam ke barang syudam. Kumban syukado ke Samla Bashimti Snaitang kedai Kawai niki kena ke basedang ningkong ya ke batch BA, Saint Xavier'S College Umoid Southwest Hills District. Kajingyo ke Samla Bashimti ya ke kerdan top 10 na ke school ba Nehu, kala penong kajing sengo sarong ya kinong hikai ki kena puli bat kinong penyat ke ke school.
Welcome to St. Xavier'S College Umoid.
Happy today to introduce to you Miss Bashimti Snaitang, who is one of the toppers in Northeastern Hills University exams 2024 in political science.
Bashimti, what learning experiences provided you the motivation for your higher performance?
Okay, so as a student of St. Xavier'S, I feel St. Xavier'S is not just an institution, but it is a platform to foster my knowledge, my wisdom, and then my personality. And there are so many experiences that I've had in St. Xavier'S. The competitions we have here. I'm overwhelmed with the opportunities that I've had, the lessons that we have learned, and the growth that we have experienced. I remember when I first walked to the doors of St. Xavier'S with a mind full of doubts, a heart filled with fears and tears in my eyes. I could not believe that all of that expression suddenly changed when I experienced the symphony of love, learning, and unwavering support here. And gradually, St. Xavier'S has become more like a home, a place to learn with love and care, a nurturing ground for growth, and a beacon of hope for a bright future. And my dear juniors, you are the luckiest to study here in the best and prestigious college which strive towards excellence. St. Xavier'S is for all of us who can make the difference. As I leave St. Xavier'S, I'll take with me the sweet memories, lessons, and my humble legacy. And I may not have left a mark, but you have left an incredible mark on me. And the future here is bright. Life is beautiful. Life is a battlefield full of ups and downs, highs and lows, plains and rocks. Remember to believe in yourself. Never talk bad about yourself. Be bold and brave. Be your own cheerleader.